I'm Thomas Smith, and today I'm taking a look at how to place an order at Philz Coffee using the Philz app, which is a really great way to order there. So first I'm going to choose my location. In this case, I'm ordering from the Lafayette location. So I'm going to choose that on here. You can order from any of their different stores with the app there. Now I'm going to go to the menu. I really like that they have really nice visual menu. Part of it is they don't have too many items, so you're not choosing between a bazillion different customizations and stuff like you would get, with a Starbucks or something. So my favorite is the iced ginger snap. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to choose that. And I love that it's this sentence that you're going to customize, basically. So I'll have a large, and I could change this out and say small or medium of this drink with creamy cream. So I could choose instead to have medium light. This is basically how much of it. The second one is what I want to have. I like the cream, but you could do almond milk or oat milk or anything. And then if you want to change the sweetness, medium, whatever it is here, and then your sweetener, lots of options, and then iced or hot. And basically it becomes a sentence like you would say to your barista when you get there. I'll have a large with creamy cream and sweet sugar iced. Or, again, I could say with medium cream or medium oat milk or whatever it is. So it's nice to have that customization, and it becomes this sentence, so you know exactly what you're getting on there. So I'm going to put that onto my order. Now I can also go and check out some food options. Let me see what I've got in here. I'll add a butter croissant. Again, we get this nice photo. We get some info on the allergens, milk, eggs, wheat, everything. We can choose our quantity. I'll put that in my basket there. And then let's go ahead and finally let's select another coffee drink here. So maybe I want to get hot coffee. We can get any of the different blends that they've got on there. So I can go through and choose exactly what I want to get. And then when I'm done with everything that I've got on here, I can go ahead and check out in my cart. So go over to the cart, say that I want to order and pay. And I can add a tip if I want to. I can schedule a time. It's by default going to give me the soonest time that's available. And then I can use either Apple Pay or I can use my payment method in here in order to actually go ahead and make that purchase. And then when I'm ready to click that pay button, it'll go ahead and place my order, and I can go and pick it up from Philz at the time that's scheduled. So very cool app. I love that visual element of it. I really like that it has the sentence that just tells you exactly what you're getting. And I find it works super well.